How to make no one can see gender you're interested in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see gender you're interested in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and here profile information and go down. Here you will find your birthday. Click this pin here and here you will find interested in. Click this icon here and after you click on it, click more options and click only me. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.